for a school to win one state title. Extremely unusual for them to win two. But as you witnessed on Saturday, the Romeo Bulldogs won their third state championship. The Romeo High School varsity hockey team state champions. Let's bring them in right now. At this time, we're gonna turn off the lights here. We got our video production class has created a video here to honor our boys hockey team. So here we go. This time, I'd like to introduce our outstanding principal at Romeo High School, Mr. Mike Kaufman.
You know, I've been around for quite a while, you know, and I got, you know, throughout the many years in education, you know, I got to know a lot of people from a lot of different schools. And the last few years, they've been asking me, and they ask me all the time, they say, what is going on out there in Romeo? What is up? What's in the water? What's happening? How is this all coming about? And I can't, you know, when I think of the word, the best to describe that, I think of the word amazing, because it truly is amazing. I've been doing this a long time, and I coached 3 sports for over 20 years, so I know about athletics. I can't ever recall being there 3 successive calendar years in major sports. Girls volleyball in 2014, boys football in 2015, boys hockey in 2016. That is amazing. Yeah, let's get a round of applause for that, please. The other things that are amazing is our student body. You know, it never ceases to amaze me when I see the turnout that we get at games and the support that you guys give to your teams.
Macomb County, Red Division, Coach of the Year, Mr. Nick Batter.
So, on behalf of everyone, thank you guys for supporting us throughout the year. Also like to thank Greg, you know, you guys' principal. They gave me a shot. Being a little younger guy, they didn't have to, you know, kind of let me do this stuff. So I thank you guys especially for believing in me, trusting in that we could get the job done. So thank you guys a lot.
We're going to announce the boys here. We got Frank the Tank Ruffino, the right hook. We got Shrub. We got Jake Sunderlick, aka Sunday Kiss. We got Chase Gillum, sophomore defenseman, stepped up big this year. And we got probably one of the biggest kids that stepped up and helped us win the state championship this year. We got Nolan Kerr, aka Glover Daddy.
I know we're here to celebrate you guys and to lift you up. We also brought somebody here to bring you guys down back to earth. We brought a hockey team in, it's going to play you guys in a few minutes, and you're going to be the saddest thing that you've ever seen. Because we got the Dog Bulls coming out here right now to play a quick hockey game. So you guys get back up there, grab a stick, and we're going to show you how to play this game. You're out of the best team in the state of Michigan. Let's hear it again for the Division I, Division II, state champions, Romeo Bulldog. You guys are awesome. Thanks, Stan.